Ever wondered why people can't see your badges, game stats, or friend list on Steam? Or maybe you're trying to join communities, but your profile is hidden by default. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make your Steam profile public in just a couple of minutes. Super easy and perfect for 2025. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer or mobile device. If you don't have it installed yet, just grab it from the official Steam website and get logged in. Once Steam is open, enter your account name and password like you normally would. If you've forgotten your details, the password recovery option is right there, so don't stress. After you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the app. You'll see your profile name. Click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you want to select View My Profile. That takes you straight to your personal Steam page. Now look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually right at the top of your profile header. Give that a click, and you'll be taken to a page full of different account settings you can customize. Inside the Edit section, you'll see a tab or menu option called Privacy Settings. Go ahead and select it. This is where Steam controls who can see what on your account. Under Privacy Settings, find the section labeled My Profile. This is the key setting that determines how visible your entire profile is. Steam offers three options here: public, friends only, and private. To open everything up so others can view your stats, badges, and friends list, choose public. The moment you select that option, your profile becomes visible to everyone on the platform. There's no extra confirmation needed. And don't worry, you can always come back later and switch it to friends only or private if you change your mind. That's all it takes. Your profile is now public, which makes it easier for others to check out your achievements, send friend requests, or invite you to games and groups. It's a small change that can make a big difference when you're trying to connect with the broader Steam community. If this guide helped you out, feel free to stick around for more quick Steam tips and gaming how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.